Hi everybody! Sometimes you need to navigate the timeline. In some cases, you want to see the whole layers, and in other cases, you want to focus on a small part of the timeline. How can we zoom in and out in timeline? It's very easy. You can zoom in and out from this bar in the bottom. As you drag it to the right, it zooms in. As you see, the timelines becomes by frames. If you drag it to the left, it becomes by seconds, and you see the whole composition. You can do this by the scroll wheel and Alt. You can scroll the layer up and down by the scroll wheel. By this feature, you can expand or contract the timeline as needed for the level of details you want to see. As you can see here, there is a bar on the top, and you can move it left and right to navigate the timeline as you need. You can resize it to zoom out or zoom in also. You can also move between layers by using numbers. If you, for example, click 5, you select the layer number 5. If you click 9, you select the layer number 9. If you want to select, for example, layer number 3, and you want to move the head to the beginning of the layer, you can click I, shortcut I. The head timeline moves to the beginning of the layer. If you click O, the head moves to the end of the layer. Let's, for example, resize it and see. O moves to the end, I moves to the beginning of the layer. Home and end moves to the beginning and the end of the composition. If you click home, it moves to the beginning of the composition, end moves to the head to the end of the composition. In fact, these shortcuts and these techniques makes you master controller over the playhead, and it's very crucial to work faster and move between items and select items to work faster. See you next lesson.